Let's go this way.
Guy moving hard left! Watch out, there's a guy that's moving somewhere up here.
Alright. Shoot at me all day long.
Gotta see his mohawk sticking out before anything.
Really?
Yeah.
That dude, he's got huge hair. I got a kid at my school who's literally got at least 6 inches of mohawk.
Hey,
pretty intense.
Yeah.
I'll unload on you all day, kid. Come on. Your leg will start hurting soon enough. Watch my right for me.
VIP's behind that spool.
Which one?
The VIP's behind that spool.
Oh, our VIP. Okay.
They don't have VIP.
That's right.
Oh, they're both out.
I see no one.
Yeah, move up. We just need to move up.
Oh, right there.
Find somewhere and go. Don't move back. Why are you running back?
Where they at?
Because someone's moving
I don't know. You want to move to this red one with me real quick?
Yeah.
That was almost bad.
I'm moving to this left. Shelter right here.
Come on. Where are you? Man. Dude, no way. No way.
What?
No way you're going to put your arm up and then not come out. No way.
Is he not going?
Oh, you're on my nerves. Cover me real quick.
Do you see that guy?
What color?
At the very there.
You yellow? Yellow? Yeah, okay, I got you.
Hey. See that guy? Wait.
Hold on.
Sorry.
There we go. Good job, boy. Good job. Right here, right here.
Alright, watch out. I got people over here, but all I got is
Are they peeking out much?
Yeah, I had it automatic. I could light this guy up.
Yeah. Is it just one? Is it just one?
Yeah.
I see him.
You think you can lay down covering fire?
Hold on, I'm taking. Hold on. Move up and move up. Are we okay from this way?
There's two guys behind us.
Go bunker tag, go, you're fast, bunker tag, go, I got you.
Bunker tag!
All of you, you're out.
Yeah.
Good job, boy. Friendly.
Friendly!
Alright, that's it. They're empty.
But where's the VIP? Oh wait, we are VIP, all right. Good job.
Good job, guys.
I like it.
Good job.
Come here, give me 5, that's on camera. Good job.